Get paid for your food shop. I tried out Nielsen IQ to find out how easy it is to earn. I keep seeing ads for the Nielsen Consumer Panel app. It says you can earn money by just scanning your grocery purchases. But is it legit, and how much can you actually make from the platform? Hey everyone, it's Dan from Sidehustlereliance. On our channel, our aim is to help the online money making community find new and exciting ways to profit using our PCs and our smartphones. Every day I keep getting recommended the Nielsen shopping panel, usually whilst I'm actually doing my daily ads on Atlas Earth. So I figured, why not actually give the platform a try? Let's see if it's actually legit. All the links mentioned in this video are in the description, including the one for the Nielsen IQ Consumer Shopping Panel. I personally don't get anything for it if you do sign up, but you'll actually earn 1,000 points for just registering, which is pretty decent. Before we actually get into the bread and butter of this video, I actually think it's worth us actually watching the ad, just because it shows how the platform works and how you can actually make money from it. So I've actually got my iPhone right here, and let's actually get this ad watched.
Shopping has become really expensive, hasn't it? But did you know you can scan your groceries to earn free gift cards? Just download the Nielsen IQ Consumer Panel app. Scan your everyday shopping and you'll get gift vouchers. The more active you are, the more reward you'll earn. It's as simple as that. Don't miss out. Download the Nielsen IQ Consumer Panel app today and earn your first 400 points.
Okay, great, that's now done. I hope you'll have a good understanding of how the platform works now. So they claim you can get paid for just snapping a photo of your receipts and then scanning a few barcodes from that purchase. Supposedly, you can actually make a few quid each week, but is it really worth the effort? Alright, so I've just checked the website on my iPhone, and it looks like this application by Nielsen is actually available in a wide range of different countries, so a lot of you lot could use it. And yet, it's technically free money. Anyways, I'm going to get the app downloaded now, and I guess it's time to go shopping. So let's go. So I've now finished shopping. I've got a few bits right here. So I've got some chicken and I've got a pizza along with a few other things. And we're going to go and head home. I'm going to see how easy this application is to use. So I'll see you there. Okay, so we are now back. It's now time to get things scanned in to the Nielsen IQ app. Let me show you how it works. So all I need to do is actually click the big plus, new purchase, taken home, and I would go to other stores, and in this regard it's going to be Asda. I visited the store and I'm going to use the actual items now. Let's press next and wait for that to load up, and I would scan the receipt. Brilliant. I need to scan in each of these items. So I've got a Pepsi here, let's scan that. I've got some chicken. So I've just finished scanning all the items now. So it's asking me to confirm if this is everything. Yes it is, so I'm going to press next. I'm going to choose who was the main shopper. It was me. Next again, and I need to put in how much I spent. So in this regard, I spent £13.14. Done and submit. And there we go, that should be this trip finished. And that's it. Honestly, it's such an easy way to earn. The fact that you can just scan in your shopping and get paid for it. The only problem would be is if you actually have a large family, because then you have to scan in every single item to actually earn, but it's not too bad. So you may be wondering, how much did I actually get paid for this little haul I've just done? So I got paid 90 points in the app, which is equal to 91 pence for just scanning a few items. On Nielsen IQ, you can only get paid 90 points per week from scanning your shopping. That's it. If you actually do more shops, you will be required to scan that into the Nielsen IQ app, but you will not get paid for it. The fact that there is a £30 cash out threshold on the Nielsen IQ app, that does mean it's going to take you a decent amount of time to be able to reach that cash out amount to be able to get your money out of the application. Anyways, I'm actually going to keep using the Nielsen IQ app for the foreseeable future, just to see if it actually does pay out. So I'll see you lot in a little while. 6 months later. So, I've been using the Nielsen IQ Consumer Panel app consistently for the last 6 months, and I picked up a few earning hacks along the way. First off, the maximum you can earn each week by just scanning your shopping is 90 points, no matter how many shops you do and how many times you scan, whether that's once or 100 times. But here's the trick. If you submit at least one shopping scan every single week, you will earn a 200 point bonus on the 4th week. That's basically an extra £2 for doing exactly what you're doing, and you can't complain about that. Now, if you are going to be going away and you don't want to miss out on earning, you can actually go and press the plus icon in the app and choose holiday, and that'll actually put your account into holiday mode, where you will still earn 75 points by just claiming you're away. That's easy money. You'll also get email surveys from Nielsen IQ every few weeks. These are super easy to complete, usually just a few questions about trending topics or shopping habits. These only take a couple of minutes to complete, and you'll earn anywhere between 50 and 200 points per survey for a few minutes. It's ideal, really. That said, if you do stop scanning regularly, Nielsen IQ does notice this. I haven't actually been doing that much shopping over the past week or so, just the odd pint of milk and a few meals here and there, and actually got a stern warning text from Nielsen warning me that my account could be closed if I don't use the app as intended. So yeah, just make sure you scan everything, even those small shops, because it's definitely worth doing. Although, with this platform you can make around £10 a month by just scanning your groceries and answering a few questions from a survey. That is literally right up my alley. I cannot complain how easy this is. Now, since I've been using the application for over 6 months now, I've actually managed to earn over £50 by just scanning my shopping, and it's time to cash out. Just a heads up though, cashing out through the app can be a nightmare. Every time I try, it keeps saying I've got 0 points, so my advice is to cash out on PC. And here's the entire process. First off, you need to visit the link on screen right now to actually log in. You'll actually need your account number for Nielsen and your password, and then Nielsen will send you a one-time passcode via email. Once you're in, click rewards at the top and then go to the rewards catalogue. They'll then ask for your date of birth and another one-time passcode. This is more secure than Fort Knox. After that, click vouchers or something on those lines and then view the entire catalogue. It's that easy. In this example, I decided to search for Amazon and I found a £50 voucher. I added it to my basket, scrolled down, checked all the details out, and then just confirmed my shipping details. And then I just placed the order. So since I actually bought a voucher on Amazon, after 30 minutes I got an email with the Amazon voucher link. I redeemed it and boom, that's my free Amazon credit, and I'm going to be using that to buy some Nintendo Switch 2 games.
I want a $100 gift card deposited into my locker by noon tomorrow.
What's even better is that Nielsen IQ works perfectly alongside other receipt scanning applications like Shopix, Snap My Eats, and Amazon Shopper Panel. You can upload the same receipt to all these different platforms, and if you submit it to Nielsen IQ as well, you'll be earning around £2 per receipt. And literally, if you're buying small meals, small things, you can actually profit from scanning these receipts. So it really does add up. In total, if you use Nielsen IQ consistently, you're looking to be making around £100 a year. Honestly, for the minimal effort involved, you can't do much better than this. Honestly, it just stacks so well with so many other applications, so it's definitely worth doing. So make sure you don't miss out. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, it would be greatly appreciated. On screen right now is my 2 newest videos, and I'll catch you guys real soon.